Christopher Deluzio. Will be Village, Vinny Schieberger. Christopher Deluzio, Vinny Schieberger, Matt Walton. In the homeland 2, with class 100,000 from Brookside, Eliza Flata. From the Wildcats, Preston Motion. Eliza Flata, Preston Motion, at 2. In the whole 100 pounds, Logan Griffith.